this lesson will show you how to do the Video Speed app on your phone. There are a lot of apps that will allow you to do this. I picked this one. It's free and it's pretty easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And you can go to camera and shoot video that way, but I have a lot of video already, and I'm going to choose select video. Besides, I want you guys to get landscape and not portrait photos or film for my class. I think the landscape is a lot better to look at. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and find a video. I'm going to go to Florence. I went to Florence, Italy a while ago, and I'm going to go ahead and open up this video, and I'm going to mute it. I know that there's a way to add music. You might have to pay. I'm not sure. So just keep that in mind. You want to talk to your parents before you start downloading apps on your phone. I'm going to go ahead and drag this to the left. When you go to the left, it slows it down. I'm going to go ahead and play it. So it has slowed down the video. I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to go all the way to the right with that little slider, and I'll play it. So you decide if you think it's better for slow or fast motion video. But I'm going to go ahead and slow this down. I'm going to click the arrow at the top. It looks like a little paper plane, and it's going to render. So it has rendered. When it's rendered, you can then share it. I like to share it through my Gmail account. Do notice there's a sound at the top, and I've played around with it and I can't figure it out. If you figure it out, please educate me. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and click on the share option. I'm going to locate my Gmail. I'm going to type in my Gmail, and you can add a subject. It's always a good habit to add a subject, and then click the send option. And do keep in mind it could take a while for this to upload to your Gmail. If your video is too large, you will not be able to send it via email. You might have to actually search online to determine how to get videos off of your phone. Once it's in your Gmail, I will show you what to do next. This concludes the session on how to use a video app in order to speed up or slow down video. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.